It's pretty safe to say Payton collects Hot Wheels. They're color-coded and lined up. Got a whole bunch of these the other day. Somebody just gave them to him. These are only a third of his Hot Wheel. This is probably about half. Yeah, this is probably most of his collection. He's got his lunch he's had. Here's Casey. Hi, we're having Hot Wheel magic fun. Payton, say good morning.
Oh,
Yay.
And guys, we have.
And she would like to show you her bird. She's doing really good. Casey just catches her and tames her. See? Well, the bird doesn't really like it, but they're doing really good. See that? She catches the bird and she tames the bird. Good deal, Casey. Good deal. And what is her name?
Violet.
Violet. Good job. Casey's doing really well with her birdie. See her feet? Hi, Violet. And the house is still messy. It is Sunday and we're just relaxing and enjoying the moment.